Efficiency Unleashed: 22 Strategies to Maximize Productivity. Imagine if success isn't just about working hard, being talented, or having luck. What if it's about a unique way of thinking that sets you apart from others? That's hustle mode. It's not just a phrase, it's a lifestyle that pushes you beyond the limits. In this video, I'll share 22 unique ideas that can spark your passion and speed up your journey to success. These are proven strategies that can make you stand out and achieve more. Be ready to embrace hustle mode and see your life transform. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications of upcoming exciting videos. Let's get started. Number 22, the 80-20 rule. Have you ever heard of the 80-20 rule? It's a game changer. Focus on the vital 20% that yields 80% results. Identify the core task and the impactful actions. Skip the trivial, embrace the impactful. It's like a productivity compass, guiding you to what truly matters. Get more done with less effort by mastering the art of prioritization. It's the 80-20 rule at play. Number 21, master your schedule with time blocking. Time is your canvas, and time blocking is your brush. Paint your day with purpose and structure. Assign blocks of time to specific tasks. It's a dance of productivity. Focus intensely during each block, and then gracefully move to the next. Time blocking transforms chaos into choreography, making your day a symphony of efficiency. Master it and watch your productivity soar. Number 20, passion and purpose, the fuel for success. Passion and purpose are the twin engines that power success. When your heart is in sync with your goals, magic happens. Passion fuels your drive, while purpose steers your journey. Together, they make productivity effortless and success inevitable. Ignite your passion, define your purpose, and let them be the blazing trail towards your triumphs. Number 19, the connection between physical and mental strength. Physical and mental strength are inseparable allies in the quest for productivity. A healthy body houses a sharp mind. When you're physically strong, your mind follows suit, sharp and agile. Likewise, a resilient mind empowers the body. Cultivate both, and you'll harness a formidable force, driving your productivity to new heights. The mind-body connection is your gateway to unparalleled productivity. Number 18, use negative visualization. Negative visualization might seem counterintuitive, but it's a powerhouse for productivity. Picture the worst-case scenario and envision the hurdles. This practice doesn't breed fear, it fosters preparation and resilience. When you face the worst in your mind, reality becomes manageable. Embrace the negative, turn it into your ally, and watch your productivity soar as you conquered imagined obstacles. Number 17, avoiding the victim mindset and be self-accountable. In the realm of productivity, shedding the victim mindset is paramount. You're not just a leaf adrift in the wind. You're the wind itself. Own your actions and hold yourself accountable. Blaming circumstances hinders progress. Grab the reins of responsibility and steer your destiny. Productivity thrives in the soil of self-accountability, where excuses wither and success blossoms. Number 16, friendly reminder of mortality. Embrace the ticking clock, the gentle reminder of your mortality. It's not morbid, it's motivating. Time is a finite treasure, urging you to act, to create, to leave a mark. Remembering your mortality isn't about fear, it's about embracing urgency. Every moment counts as a canvas for your legacy. Seize it, let productivity be your brushstroke on eternity's canvas. Number 15, Unbreakable resilience. Picture resilience as a phoenix rising from ashes. It's that unbreakable spirit that pushes you past setbacks. Every fall is a trampoline launching you higher. Resilience isn't just about enduring, it's about thriving amidst chaos. Like a warrior, let challenges sharpen your blade. In this battlefield of productivity, resilience is your armor, forging success from adversity. Number 14. The power of saying no. Saying no is a superpower. It's the shield that guards your time and sanity. Every no is a yes to your priorities. It's not just a refusal, it's a strategic move. It's about focusing your energies where they matter most. In this productivity game, mastering the art of saying no propels you towards your true goals. Number 13. Work hard as you can at one thing. Zoom in, dive deep, and immerse yourself in one task. It's about giving your all to that singular thing, pushing your boundaries till you break through. The magic happens when you pour your effort into mastering one craft. In a world of distractions, this laser-like focus is your ticket to productivity and making a real impact. Number 12. Become a hero by using your pain. Turn your pain into power, your struggle into strength. Every hardship you face is a chapter in your story, and you get to decide how it ends. Embrace the lessons, the bruises, and the battles you fought. They're your arsenal to become a hero in your journey. Let your pain propel you towards greatness. It's the ultimate comeback story. Number 11. Don't take advice from fake gurus. Beware the allure of false prophets promising easy paths to success. Authentic wisdom doesn't come in a one-size-fits-all package. True advice is earned through experience, failures, and relentless dedication. Don't be swayed by flashy shortcuts. Trust the grit of hard-earned knowledge, and that's the foundation of genuine progress. The real journey to success demands discernment and authenticity. Number 10. Leverage technology to increase efficiency. In a world racing at digital speed, harnessing technology isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Let the algorithms and codes be your allies in this productivity battle. From task managers to automation tools, the digital realm offers an arsenal to amplify your efficiency. Embrace this tech-powered era and watch your productivity soar to unprecedented heights. The future's efficiency is digital. Number 9. Never stop learning. In the realm of productivity, learning is the compass guiding your path. Like a relentless explorer, never cease seeking new knowledge and skills. Every book, every course, every mentor, they're all portals to an enriched you. Embrace the joy of constant growth, for in this journey, productivity becomes not a task, but a way of being. Keep learning, keep excelling. Number 8. Create a hustle mode environment. Craft your realm of hustle. Build an environment pulsating with the rhythm of productivity. Clear the clutter, organize chaos, and surround yourself with motivation. Let your space echo your ambitions, whether it's a minimalist desk or a bustling co-working hub. Let it fuel your drive. When your surroundings exude hustle, your actions align, and productivity takes center stage. Embrace the hustle mode. Number 7. Reverse goal setting. Visualize success and work backwards. Picture your triumph. Start at the peak and work your way down. Imagine victory vividly, then unravel the steps to reach it. Reverse engineer your goals. Break them into feasible chunks. This visionary approach propels you forward, each step fueled by the allure of your ultimate triumph. It's not just dreaming big, it's dreaming smart. Reverse the game and win the prize. Number 6. Cynicism is a loser's strategy. Cynicism shackles progress. It's a loser's game. Choosing skepticism means choosing to watch from the sidelines. True winners embrace hope, believe in possibilities, and work tirelessly towards their goals. Let optimism be your guide. In the race for productivity, optimism leads to victory, while cynicism is left behind, drowned in its doubts. Choose the path of winners. Choose hope. Number 5. Success as the only revenge. Success is the sweetest revenge. When life throws challenges, let your triumphs be the response. Channel every setback into fuel for your success engine. Let achievements be the echoes of your resilience, proving doubters wrong. In the grand play of life, success is your spotlight, and revenge is simply playing your role to perfection. Illuminate the world with your victories. Number 4. Judge yourself by your actions, not your thoughts. In the realm of productivity, actions speak louder than thoughts. It's easy to dream, but it's the steps you take that define you. Let your deeds be the yardstick of your worth. Measure your progress by what you've accomplished, not by what you've envisioned. The world admires doers, so act boldly and let success echo your actions. Number 3. The heavy burden of unmade decisions. The weight of indecision can be a heavy burden on the journey to productivity. Each unresolved choice adds to the load, slowing your progress. Embrace the liberating power of making decisions. With each option, you shed the weight, gaining momentum towards your goals. Embrace the freedom of clear choices and watch your productivity soar. Number 2. Hold yourself to a higher standard. Set the bar high, not just for others, but for yourself. Hold yourself to a higher standard, demanding excellence in all you do. When you expect the best from yourself, you rise to the occasion, achieving more than you imagine. Don't settle, raise the bar, and let your expectations propel you towards peak productivity and success. Number 1. Success comes from doing what others won't. Want to unlock the door to success? It's about doing what others won't. That extra mile, that extra effort, is where the magic happens. When you embrace the task others shy away from, you're on the road to productivity gold. Success is often born from those bold steps beyond the comfort zone, where ordinary ends and extraordinary begins. We've explored the 22 secrets to elevate your efficiency and conquer your goals. Now, it's your turn. Apply these strategies, transform your productivity, and watch your success soar. Remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Let's unlock that unparalleled efficiency and achieve greatness onward to a more productive you.